did you enjoy the course overall when you was on there?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, doing the classes with Mike, he was
Yeah.
fantastic. He's a good character.
He is.
Yeah, he was brilliant. He just made it very engaging, got everyone involved. Even those that didn't really have their mic or their camera on, he still kind of made sure he got them involved in some way. He's got a lot of knowledge, so he was great to ask questions and just, bounce ideas off. And yeah, he was just brilliant at making sure that we understood each topic, because like you say, there was a lot to take in.
So what did you get out of the course, and are you starting to use these skills that you've learned so far?
Yeah, so as I say, I didn't really have any understanding of CAD or printing beforehand, and then all the other topics such as the robots and VR, it was all very interesting, so there was plenty to take away. But then the main thing being the 3D printing, doing the in-house training for that, so maintaining it, how to build it, that was all really handy. And the several mats that you have working that were able to help with it. Everyone's just got great amount of knowledge to help out with. And then doing the 3D CAD as well. So I've just been pretty much working on that every day just to develop my CAD skills, so I can. The print side seems like the easier part of it now.